Tyres again, Total Tarts Pro, 2007 Mazda 6, stock number 7177. It's around from the 2005 to the 2008. It's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front gun, no dents. Left front 6-inch factory naked tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door light fold in the corner. Left rear 6-inch factory naked tyre. Right rear 6-inch factory naked tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 6-inch factory naked tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console loop. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-speed steering wheel, instrument cluster,